Hi guys, here 6 plus 6 is 12. Divide by 6 plus 6 times 6. Here 12 divided by 6 is 2 plus 6 times 6. Here 2 plus 6 is 8 times 6. Here 8 times 6 is 48 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operation, this 48 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. This is M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce that left to right rule in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. Here, exponent also not there in the problem. Here, the next priority is multiplication and division. In this problem, we have addition, division, addition and multiplication. This is division, this is multiplication, which is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and this addition. 6 plus 1 plus 6 times 6. Here we have additions and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this additions. So 6 plus 1 plus 6 times 6 is 36. Here we have additions. So 7 plus 36. Here 7 plus 36 is 43 is the correct answer.